Welcome back to California Live. Graduations, birthdays, Father's Day, July 4th. There are a number of great reasons to host a party at your home this summer, but you don't have to break the bank to pull it off. Amber Pfister is with an entertaining expert who's got tips on how to throw the perfect party without the painful price tag. Hey, Amber.
Danny, you're absolutely right. I mean, we all want to throw a summer party, but we do not want to use all our cash, and that's why I've asked my friend Janette here to give us some tips this summer on how to just throw some great parties without using all our cash, right, Janette?
Exactly, and how to make them memorable and somewhat easy so you're not stressed out as a hostess. So first, I always like to have a welcome wall. We've just done one here with affordable canvases, and these are actually placemats. We use glue dots to stick to it.
I love it. So such a good idea.
Welcomes your guests, and it's a great photo wall. I always like to have something fun and individual for our guests, too. So, of course, I've made Amber, and then this is for our helper, Davy. These are just from the dollar store, and you can use those beads to stick on with a glue gun.
So cute. So cute. I'm wearing these all days, by the way.
Super fun. Let's move over to our welcome bar. So a welcome mat is a great way to say hello to summer. And pineapples, of course, are the international sign for welcome.
Yes.
I did a little DIY bar here using a planter box, which I know we all have them. And you can pop a piece of wood on top or do a half with a cutting board and have half ice. And for my welcome bar, I decided to do something a little special. And I brought in Cedars, which is an award-winning non-alcoholic spirit. And it's infused with gin botanicals and things like hibiscus and citrus. Absolutely delicious. There's four expressions. I'm loving the rose. And we did a cocktail with that. That's deep in the valley. And I have a valley spritz. It's great with tonic water as well.
Okay, this feels like it might have alcohol in it, but it doesn't, so it's a great drink without the hangover. I love it.
Cheers.
And I love that you used a planter box, because you're right, most of us have that at home. So
exactly.
Great
Always
idea.
Shop what you have first.
Exactly. Okay, I see a lounge area, and it is calling my name, girl. What's going on over here?
Well, this is the home of my newly designed tube table. So this is a lot of fun. I just used a blow-up inflatable tube and popped in a wood circle. You can get them at different sizes from the craft store. And I've got another welcome cocktail we'll talk about in a minute, and then I paired it with Organic Candy Factory, my favorite gummy bear cubs. This is so easy to make, though, which is kind of fun, and we did this whole area for under $100.
Okay, listen, you said that. I had no idea, Janette, how crafty you are, because the fact that you bought this tube and then created this to be a table, so fun.
Isn't it fun?
So
and these
clever.
little low chairs are just, you can get them at a song from like a lot of department stores and stuff. And then we did a little bar over here.
See, this is something I would have at home, because I used a lot of this stuff for, you know, my little girl's room. But little did you know, you can turn your kids' stuff into a bar.
Exactly, because kids' stuff is usually bright colors. And I did a great cocktail with Good Boy vodka there. And that's, of course, lovely because I used California wheat, made in America, and smooth, delicious. And we found a pink pineapple to pair with it.
I love the pink pineapple. That's so cute.
Isn't that fun? And I should mention with Good Boy vodka, every pour helps a pup. So they're support warrior dogs, which I think is fantastic.
I love when I drink and I feel good about it.
I agree.
Okay, let's talk about the games, because I know that you said sometimes you get things in the kids area for fun adult stuff.
Exactly. Kids stuff is usually less expensive, so shop for your games there. Another fun thing to do is to bring in colorful throw pillows. Again, these are super affordable. Even plastic tablecloths like this, you can, if you tuck them under the glass, it just looks a lot chicer, which is great.
It totally elevates the party. Such a great idea. And of course, for those of you who need a little dip in a pool, you don't have to pay a ton of money to get a pool. Just get an inflatable one. How cute.
This is so cute. I love this. This is from Mini Dip. And it looks great because it's styled after a great restaurant in England called Sketch. And I popped a bang ball next to it so you can do a little workout and get your pool pump on.
Love it. Love it. And then, of course, we got the snacks. Guys, take a look at all these amazing snacks you've put together.
The snacks are so fun. And what I love is doing a little bit of a semi-homemade situation, because when you're focused so much on the decor, just use simple things to assemble, like the watermelon and feta.
Right.
Put things, display it beautifully. Lots of little parasols, brightens it up. And again, when you're doing this, I like, if you're focusing on the decor, you can relax a little on the food and ask friends to help out. Friends, family, assign one task to each. Keep that entertaining, easy, and stress-free.
Okay, so I'm glad that you said that, because anyone watching who knows me, family, friends, you're all coming to my party with something, okay? Janette, this is fantastic. I love that you've put all of this together, which just elevates your party, but it also doesn't break the bank. So
exactly, and that's how we can celebrate.
Let's party.
Let's go in the pool.
Ooh, I like the way you're thinking. All right, Danny, I gotta go. Great tips. We're about to hop in this pool. All right, girl, jump in.